Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about SDG 14, life below water. Oceans are extremely important because they support life on Earth, regulate the climate, and provide food and jobs to billions of people. However, our oceans are facing serious threats like pollution, overfishing, and climate change. In this presentation, I will explain why oceans matter, what problems they face, and what solutions we can take to protect them for our future generation. Moving on to slide 2. Why life below water matters. Oceans are very important for food and livelihoods. Around 16% of global animal protein comes from seafood, and more than 3 billion people depend on oceans for their jobs and incomes. Oceans also regulate our climate by absorbing carbon dioxide and producing over 50% of oxygen we breathe. In addition, biodiversity supports tourism, fisheries, and coastal protection. So, protecting oceans means protecting our economy, climate, and future. Moving on to slide 3. The crisis. Oceans under threat. Our oceans are under serious threat today. Plastic pollution has reached over 150 million tons, and microplastics are now found in marine animals and even in our food chain. Overfishing is reducing fish population and pushing some species towards extinction. Climate change is causing ocean warming, acidification, damaging coral reefs and marine life. Even global crises like COVID-19 increased plastic waste. If we don't act now, the damage could become irreversible. Moving on to slide 4. SDG 14's targets or ambitions. SDG 14 sets clear goals towards protect marine life. It aims to reduce marine pollution, especially plastics and chemical waste. It also focuses on conserving at least 10% of coastal and marine areas through protected zones. Another major goal is to stop overfishing and illegal fishing practices. It also encourages international cooperation to reduce ocean acidification and improve scientific research. These targets help to create a clear action plan to save our oceans. Moving on to slide 5. Protecting and restoring ecosystems. One important solution is creating marine protected areas where fishing and harmful activities are restricted so a ecosystem can recover. Habitat restoration is also essential. For example, coral nurseries, mangrove planting, and seagrass restoration help rebuild marine biodiversity and protect coastal lines from storms. Stronger enforcement and international cooperation needed to stop illegal fishing. These combined efforts can help restore balance in marine ecosystem. Moving on to slide 6. Empowering coastal communities. Small scale fishers and coastal communities depend heavily on marine resources. SDG 14 supports fair market access and better income opportunities for them. Providing technology and training helps developing countries monitor ocean health and effectively. Partnership between governments, NGOs, and private companies are also important to fund marine conservation projects. When communities are empowered, conservation becomes more successful and sustainable. Moving on to slide 7. Innovation and success stories. There are also positive developments happening. New technologies like direct air carbon capture and blue carbon projects help reduce carbon dioxide levels, protecting marine ecosystem. Governments are working to reduce harmful fishing subsidies, improve regulations. Community cleanup programs and citizen science projects are removing plastic waste and raising awareness. These innovations shows that change is possible when people work together. Moving on to slide 8, connection with other SDGs. SDG 14 is closely linked with other sustainable development goals. If supports it supports SDG 1, no poverty, by protecting fisheries that provide income. It connects with SDG 13, climate action, because ocean stores carbon and reduce climate impacts. It also relates to SDG 12, respon- responsible consumption by promoting sustainable seafood and reducing waste. This shows that Protecting oceans helps achieve many global goals. Moving on to slide 9, what can you do? We all have a role play. We can avoid single-use plastics and use or choose reusable alternatives. We can buy sustainable seafood and support responsible fishing practices. Volunteering in beach cleanups and spreading awareness also makes a difference. Small individual actions, when multiplied by millions of people, can create a big positive impact on ocean health. Moving on to slide 10, the conclusion, the ocean's future. In conclusion, the future of our ocean depends on urgent and coordinated action. We must strengthen marine protected areas, restore damaged ecosystems, eliminate harmful subsidies, and empower coastal communities. Healthy oceans means a healthy planet and a healthy people. If we act responsible today, we can ensure that future generations inherit clean and thriving oceans. Clean and thriving oceans. Thank you.